Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
If you're thinking about building a website but aren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to start a Squarespace free trial so you can explore their powerful design tools with zero commitment. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your own hands-on test site up and running, and you'll know how to make the most of those first steps. All right, let's dive in. First, head over to squarespace.com. You can do this on any device, but I recommend using a laptop or desktop for the easiest editing experience later. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right for the Get Started button, or sometimes you'll see a Start Free Trial option right in the middle of the screen. Go ahead and click that. It's your gateway into the Squarespace universe. Don't worry, you won't need a credit card, and nothing goes public until you're ready. Squarespace wants to understand what kind of site you're imagining. So next you'll see a simple prompt. What type of site do you want to create? There are several popular options: online store, portfolio, blog, business site, or personal website. Pick whatever fits your project best, whether it's showcasing your artwork, starting an online shop, or maybe even launching a blog for your travel stories. This choice will help Squarespace suggest the most relevant templates for you, but don't stress. You can always change your mind later. So just make your best guess and click. Next. Now comes one of my favorite parts, choosing a template. Squarespace has a vast gallery of beautifully designed templates, organized by category and style. Take your time here. Scroll through a few options. Think of templates like a house's blueprint. If you're a photographer, you might be drawn to clean, image-focused designs. If you're planning an online shop, look for templates that highlight products. When something catches your eye, click on its thumbnail for a closer look. And when you're ready, hit Start with Template Name. Instantly, Squarespace spins up a free trial site tailored to your template choice. Before you can start customizing, you'll be asked to log into your Squarespace account, or create one if you're brand new. You've got flexible sign-in options. Use your Google account, your Apple ID, or just set up a fresh account using any email and password you like. This step is quick, and once you're signed in, you'll be dropped right into the editing dashboard. If you've ever used a drag-and-drop editor before, you'll feel right at home. Here's where the magic happens. You can now start personalizing your trial website any way you want. Swap out placeholder text and images for your own content, experiment with sections and blocks, and play around with colors and fonts until you get the vibe just right. You can even add links to your social media, set up pages like About, Shop, or Contact, and really start to make the site feel like yours. The platform saves your changes automatically as you work, so you never have to worry about losing progress. If something doesn't look quite right, you can always tweak it. That's the beauty of a free trial. Lastly, while you're in trial mode, your site will live at a URL like your site name squarespace.com. You can share this link with friends or colleagues to get some fresh feedback before launching for real. Just keep in mind, until you choose a paid plan, your site stays private and won't show up in Google searches. Perfect for working behind the scenes. That's it. Your Squarespace journey has officially begun. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, please hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any Squarespace questions or if there's something else you want to learn. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss more tutorials to help you build your best website. Happy creating!